You want to step on the cable with the front foot right in the center of it. Keep the front foot slightly bent, back foot slightly bent as well, but put most of the pressure in the front foot. Go ahead, turn your hands up. Now you want 90-degree angles. You see that? You want to keep your wrist nice and straight. You don't want them bending. Head straight. Go ahead, come up all the way and extend up in a triangular type motion. If you notice, you went like this, okay? And then you want to come down till your elbows meet your shoulders, so right there. Perfect. When you come down also, you want your hands going out. You want them perfectly perpendicular to the floor, okay? Here we go. You want to breathe in on the way down and blow out on the way up. Keep your abs tight. Don't sway back and forth. Also, if you notice, her elbows are lined up with her shoulder, okay? They're not forward or backward, directly in the center of her body.